Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Facebook and heading straight to Ads Library or Meta Business Suite. You don't need to set up an ad account to look. Enter the advertiser name, page link, or a specific keyword to pull results. Make sure to set region and date filters so you search just the ads you care about. Once done, scan results for active versus inactive tags and the ad creative thumbnails. This gives immediate visibility into messaging and frequency without extra navigation. Once you have initial results, refine with placement and status filters to isolate feed, stories, or in-stream ads and active versus inactive campaigns. Click an ad to inspect the creative closely. Note headline, body copy length, visuals, video duration, and explicit CTAs. Check the destination URL to understand the funnel. Make sure to compare creatives across several advertisers to identify recurring hooks and offer structures, because patterns reveal what's working and what you can test in your own campaigns. Finish by extracting insights. Capture screenshots, copy ad text, and save landing pages so you can recreate effective variants for /B tests. If you need deeper targeting hints or historical trends, supplement with reputable third-party tools that track ad libraries over time. If you can't find ads you expect, make sure your location and date filters aren't excluding them, clear cache or log out and back in, and verify account permissions. These simple checks usually resolve visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.